Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open Clipchamp in your browser and sign into your account now. Click Create a new project and name it for your video. Set the project size to 1280 x 720 and choose 16:9 aspect ratio. Upload the image or still frame you want to use as a thumbnail. Drag that image to the timeline and extend it to 2 to 4 seconds of duration. Preview the frame to confirm composition and framing before you start editing text or overlays. Select the text tool and add a short bold title with clear font choice. Use high contrast colors like white on dark or black on light backgrounds. Move your subject to the 1/3 or 2/3 grid for natural focus. Add a drop shadow or outline to text to keep it readable at small sizes. Include a small logo or face close-up, occupying about 1/4 of the frame. Keep wording under 6 words to maintain clarity on smaller screens. When your design is ready, scrub to the exact frame you want to export. Click Export Frame or use the snapshot option to save a still image. Choose 1280 x 720 resolution and export as PNG or JPG for best quality. Aim to keep the file size under 2 MB for fast uploads and platform limits. Save the image with a clear file name including the video title and date. Finally, upload the thumbnail in your video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.